Fatty here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your PC run faster for free. So with CCleaner, it's a free tool. I'm not affiliated with them at all. It has health check, custom clean, performance optimizer, driver updater, registry, tools, options, and upgrade if you want to pay for CCleaner. So let's do a health check by clicking start. It'll analyze your PC. It'll say your PC is feeling under the weather. It's patching. It's feeling good now. Now let's go to custom clean. Now with all this, when you first install CCleaner, it won't have all these selected. So what you need to do is select everything apart from your saved passwords. Everything you want it to clean. If you don't know what it is, I do recommend you don't touch it. But and you want to leave free space out. And for your applications, it will do the same for your browsers. You can clear. I haven't got Discord selected there. OneDrive, I've got everything else. So let's do an analyze on my PC. My PC will run pretty quickly due to the fact that it is quite good. And it says there's 28 kilobytes. So let's run cleaner, click continue. And it's running and needs to close. Click yes, close application, and it's cleared. So now if we go down to registry, we can scan for issues on registry, and it comes up that there is 30. Let's go review. Do you want to back up the registry? Often you do. Click yes, we can do that, and then go fix all selected. And 30 is fixed. Then under tools, you've got uninstall, so you can uninstall your programs and it'll remove all the registry keys and whatnot. Today we're not going to do that. So, and then you've got a software updater. You can update the software. It says there's one for me, 7-zip, new version 22. My current version is 22 point thing. If I wanted to, I could update that right now, but that's for later on. And that's it. Pretty much. There is under tools, you've got also a drive wiper, so you can wipe your hard drives clear. I wouldn't recommend trying that with your C drive, of course, because that's your main drive on your PC. But if you've got another drive connected and you want to wipe it, you can do it through this program. You can also disable your startup programs and re-enable them. You can even delete them from startup completely. Your browser plugins, you can disable them. Your disk analyzer, it can analyze your disk. Duplicate file finder, it'll find duplicate files and then you can delete them. You've got your system restore points there, and I've already covered the drive wiper. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's how to make your PC run faster for free. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Fatty out.